The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Howard County Fire Department and Emergency Management. At 6:50 p.m., a train derailed north of Elkridge, Maryland. The resultant chlorine gas leak has closed I-895 and U.S. Route 1 near Elkridge. Residents of the community of Woodland Village are asked to evacuate immediately. Further east, residents of the community of Deep Run are asked to stay at home, keep all doors and windows closed, and tune to 103.5 on your AM/FM dial for further instructions.